Hi, Robert and classmates from Brock University. So I'm going to explain to you how I record my YouTube videos. So I use this nifty thing. It's like basically a 2025 version of a selfie stick. They call it a gimbal. And this is the part that attaches the phone to the gimbal. So you attach it as such. I've also got a light here. I guess I need to turn the power on, but charge it, but it's very heavy, so sometimes throws the gimbal off. So I attach it by a magnet from behind, and now the phone is swinging around, but I have some controllers here. So if I hold that, it puts it in the correct order, and I can switch it around. And if I want, I can also turn it like this. Cool thing is that it also has like it's got a little tripod, so I can theoretically put it down somewhere, and it extends like a selfie stick as well. I don't use that feature very often. I do a lot of recording on the street. Like I have my own couple of YouTube channels where I record things. So I walk around and record villages and things here in Taiwan. It's got its own app, which is nice, but it's not convenient because there's no pause button. So I tend not to use it. I've actually just um, deleted it. To go out into the field, I also use these clip-on um, mics. I've got a muffler that attaches to it as well. One thing that's really nifty is that to use this mic, I can, so I don't even need Bluetooth. I just attach something to it. But the unfortunate thing was I was walking around a park and the extension for this mic fell off and I searched for it for several hours, couldn't find it. But yeah, this is really nifty. And I used to use the old school, tripod, but I find that this is actually much more convenient, and students enjoy it too because, well, I have also attached this to it, and they like that. It's the Insta360 Go 3S, so they can take it apart and control it from different parts of the classroom. They can go into another classroom and see what's happening on this main console just using the this little video, and they can then upload the video to YouTube, although they're very shy. They don't like things to be published. And initially I wanted this screen to be blurred because I don't like it when people walk in the background behind me while I'm recording. However, I couldn't do that because by today when I blurred it, I wasn't able to show the gimbal. In the meantime, because I don't have a properly functioning microphone, so I'm using this, and yeah, I just attach it by Bluetooth. It does the trick for now. Okay.